Indian Navy's next-generation missile vessels, NGMV, will be powered by the advanced LM-2500 marine engines, supplied by American manufacturer General Electric. These heavily armed warships are being constructed by Cochin Shipyard Limited, CSL, with a project cost of 9,805 crore rupees. 6 vessels are scheduled for delivery starting in March 2027. Designed with stealth, high speed, and offensive capabilities, the NGMVs will play a crucial role in enhancing India's maritime power. The primary mission of these vessels is to provide offensive capabilities against enemy warships, merchant vessels, and land-based targets. They will excel in maritime strike operations, anti-surface warfare, and as a key instrument of sea denial, particularly in strategic choke points. The vessels will feature a top speed of 35 knots, 64 kilometers per hour, equipped with advanced anti-surface weapons, loitering munitions, unmanned vehicles, and guided weapons to enhance their firepower. The primary armament is expected to be the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, capable of delivering long-range precision strikes. The LM-250 engine, central to the NGMV's propulsion system, ensures powerful performance while maintaining stealth characteristics. In addition to their offensive role, the NGMVs will also be deployed for local naval defense and the protection of offshore development areas, making them a versatile addition to India's naval fleet. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.